Dear students, in this session we are going to see few more definitions and formulae. Periodic functions. A function f is said to be periodic if there exists a real number p which is greater than 0 such that f of x plus t equal to f of x. All x t is called the least value of t is called period of the function. All trigonometric functions are periodic functions. For sin theta, cosecant theta, cos theta, secant theta. The period equal to 2 pi. For tan theta and cot theta, the period 2 pi. So period pi. If f of x is a periodic function with period t, then f of ax plus b is periodic function periodic function with period t by modulus a. Examples: period of sin theta is 2 pi. Period of sin theta equal to t by modulus a, that is 2 pi by 2, that is pi. Period of sin pi by 2 theta equal to two pi by 2, that is 4. Period of sin 4 theta plus pi is t by modulus a, that is 2 pi by 4 equal to pi by 2. Period of some important trigonometric functions. Period of sin power n theta, cos power n theta, cosecant power n theta and secant power n theta is 2 pi. If n is odd and pi if n is even. Period of tan power n theta, cot power n theta equal to pi. For n is even, n is odd. If n is even, it is pi. If n is odd, it is also pi. even or odd. Periods of modulus sin theta, modulus cos theta, modulus tan theta, modulus cot theta, modulus sec theta, modulus cosec theta. Equal to pi. Periods of modulus sin theta plus modulus cos theta, modulus tan theta plus modulus cot theta, modulus sec theta plus modulus cosecant theta I will do here pi. Sin n pi equal to 0, cos n pi equal to minus 1 whole power n, tan n pi equals 0, sin n pi plus theta equal to minus 1 whole power n into sin theta. Cos n pi plus theta equal to minus 1 whole power n into cos theta. Tan n pi plus theta equal to tan theta. Sin n pi by 2 plus theta equal to minus 1 whole power n minus 2 by theta into sin theta into cos theta when n is odd. Cos n by 2 plus theta minus 1 whole power n plus 1 by 2 into sin theta. When n is odd. Tan n by t plus theta equal to minus cot theta when n is odd. To find ratios of n pi minus theta and n pi by 2 minus theta, replace theta by minus theta. Then all of the above results. If x equal to cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha plus beta, and y equal to 4 sin alpha by 2 sin beta by 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2, then x minus y is equal to option A 1, option B minus 1, option C 2, option D 10. X equal to cos alpha plus cos beta minus cos alpha plus beta. So this is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Using this, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus beta. We have cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So using this, cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. So cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Here you can take 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 in common. Remaining cos alpha minus beta by 2 minus cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus 1. Cos D minus cos C, 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. That means 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2. So this is now this one, cos D minus cos C, 2 sin C plus D by 2 alpha minus beta by 2 plus alpha plus beta by 2 by 2. Sin alpha minus beta by 2 minus by 2 plus 1. So x equal to 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 if you simplify, minus beta plus beta will be cancelled. 2 alpha by 2, that is alpha whole divided by 2, 2 sin alpha by 2. If you simplify, so here sin C minus C, cos D minus C means this value is C. So alpha plus beta by 2 minus alpha minus beta by 2. Here no issue, on D plus C or C plus same value, cos D minus cos C. So this is D, this is C, C plus D by 2, this one plus this one. Then C minus C, first you write alpha plus beta by 2 minus alpha minus beta by 2, minus alpha plus will be cancelled, minus plus B, minus of minus plus beta. So sin beta by 2 plus 1. So the whole value is nothing, this whole value is given as y plus 1, which implies x minus y equal to 1. So option A is correct. Next example, if alpha and beta are solutions of sin square x plus a sin x plus b equal 0, as well as that of cos square x plus c cos x plus d equal 0, then sin alpha plus beta is equal to b divided b square plus b square a square plus c square by 2ac b square plus d square by 2bd 2ac by a square plus c square. So sin square x plus a sin x plus b equal to 0. Alpha, beta are the roots. So sum of the roots sin alpha plus sin beta, that is minus a. Sin alpha into sin beta, that is b, which implies sin c plus sin d. 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to minus a. Cos square x plus c cos x plus d equal to 0. Cos alpha plus cos beta equal to minus c, which implies 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to minus c. Applying cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 you are going to apply. Here sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Here cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus 2. These two formulas are applied here. So let me 1, 2. Apply 1 by 2. Here 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 whole divided by, here left hand side 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2 equal to, here we have right hand side minus a, here we have minus c. This term will be cancelled. 2 will be cancelled. Sin by cos, tan alpha plus beta by 2 equal to a by c. Tan alpha plus beta by 2 equal to a by c. We have to find sin alpha plus beta. Sin theta equal to 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. We have one formula. So 2 tan alpha plus beta by 2. In place of theta here we have alpha plus beta. 4 divided by 1 plus tan square alpha plus beta by 2. But we know that tan alpha plus beta by 2 equal to a by c. Twice a by c by 1 plus a by c the whole square. Two a by c by 1 plus a square by c square. 2a by c c square plus a square by c square. 2a by c into c square by a square plus c square. 1c will be cancelled. That is 2ac by a square plus c square. So option D is correct. conditional trigonometric identities. If A comma B comma C or A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree or pi, or ABC are angles of a triangle, angles of a triangle. Then sin A plus B equal to sin pi minus C equal to sin C. Like that, we can find cos A plus B, tan A plus B, sec A plus B. We can find remaining thing. So A plus B plus equal to pi, A plus B equal to A plus B equal to pi minus. Suppose cos A plus B equal to cos pi minus, that is minus cos C. For sine and cosecant only we get plus sine and plus cosecant. Remaining all we have negative sign. Sin A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to sin pi by 2 minus C by 2, that is cos C by 2. A plus B plus C equal to pi. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to pi by 2. So A by 2 plus B by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. Like that, cos A by 2 plus B by 2. Cos pi by 2 minus C by 2. That is, so all will be in the first quarter. So we have positive sign for all these results. So tan A by 2 plus B by 2, tan pi by 2 minus C by 2, cot C by 2. Like this, we can calculate remaining ratios. Sin to A plus sin to B plus sin to C equal to 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. To prove this, you have more steps are needed, more calculations are needed. You can remember as a identity. cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c equal to minus or minus 4 cos a cos b cos c. Tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C equal to 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 cos A plus cos B plus cos C equal to 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A tan B tan C. Cot A cot B cot B cot C plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A equal to 1. Tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 plus tan B by 2 into tan C by 2 plus tan C by 2 into tan A by 2 equal to 1. Sin 15 degree, sin 45 minus 30, sin 45 cos 30 minus cos 45 sin 30, 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 1 by 2, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. The same manner you can find remaining you can take either 45 minus 30 or suppose you take cos 45, cos 15, cos you can take, even you can take 60 minus 45. Cos 60, cos 45 plus sin 60, sin 45. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Even you can take 45 minus 30 or 60 minus 40, you will get the same answer. So sin 15, cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 15. Sin tan 45 minus 30 you can calculate, or if you know the value of sin 15 and cos 15, so root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 divided by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So you have to remember this result as well. So tan 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into rationalize the denominator, root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. A minus the whole square, that is root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is 3 minus 1. Expand numerator, 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2, that is 2 minus root 3. If you know tan 15, cot 15, just you can take reciprocal. From this, cot 15 equal to 1 by tan 15, that is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Further, so that is equal to, also tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3. Cot 15 equal to 1 by tan 15, 1 by 2 minus root 3 equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 divided by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus a square. 2 plus root 3. You can remember. If you know sin 15, if you take reciprocal, you can take cos 15. Like that, all the remaining values can be applied. Sin 75. Sin 45 plus 12 degree. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. We can apply 45 plus 30. So in this method we can calculate, otherwise sine and cos are complementary angles. Sine ratio and cos is complementary ratios. So you know sine 75 degree equal to sine 90 minus 15 degree. That is cos 15. Cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So like that you can calculate using this. If you know this answer, you can solve like this. So cos 75 equal to sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Tan 75 equal to cot 15 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Like that you can derive all the values. Tan 75 then cot 75. Cot 75 equal to tan 15 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So you can derive secant 75 and cosecant 75. Cos 2a equal to one minus 2 sin square a. Or cos a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. We take a equal to 45, which implies cos 45 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 45 by 22 and half. So 2 sin square 22 and half d equal to 1 minus cos 45. Root 2 1 minus 1 by root 2. 2 sin square. So sin square 22 and half degree equal to root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 2 root 2. 2 minus root 2 by 4. Sin 22 and half degree equal to root of 2 minus root 2 by 2. Like that, cos 22 equal to root of 2 plus root 2 by 2. If you divide sin by cos, you can apply tan or other method. Root 2 minus 1. Cot root of equal to root 2 plus 1. Cosecant 22 and half degree equal to reciprocal of sine 2 by 4 root of 2 minus root 2. Secant 2 and half equal to reciprocal of cos 2 by root of 2 plus root 2. Then sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 18, that is equal to cos 70 degree. Cos 18 equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4 equal to sin 72 degree. Cos 18 you can calculate cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square law. If you apply, cos 18 can be found easily. Root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. That is equal to sin 72. Tan 18. Root 5 minus 1 by root of 10 plus 2 root 5, that is equal to cos 72. This is tan 18, cot 18, root of 10 plus root 5 by root 5 minus 1. Secant reciprocal of cos 18, 4 by root of 10 plus 2 2 root 5 cosecant 18. Four by root 5 minus 1. So remaining next session you will discuss remaining formulae. Thank you.